ito yung tinatawag na floods. Hi guys! So nandito tayo ngayon sa floods. So nanonood ako ng mga pawikan. Ayan sila. So ito, yan yung aquarium. So nandyan yung mga klase-klaseng isda. So iikot ko kayo dito sa floods. Hey, so big. Hi. This is big turtle. So this one is part of aquarium. So yun ang aquarium. So laki ng mga pawikan. Medyo maliit. So ito yung tinatawag na floods. So dito ay maraming isda. So marami ding mangingisda. So maraming namimingwit. Sobrang hangin naman. Maraming isda dito, kaya marami ding namimigwit. Pero bawal lahat ng isda ay bawal yung ibang isda na hulihin. Kasi pwede kang dakpin dito. Ang ganda ng araw. So malamig ngayon, winter na dito. Yung hangin tingnan, super lamig. Bahog siya ng isda. Wow! Ow! Wala akong nakita. Daming ano, parang bulinaw. Hi there. Mini fish. What do you call that fish here? Wow, it's a mini fish now. But it's small. I didn't see the big one. Excited. Yeah, wow. That's a big one. This is high tide, low tide?
Near low tide.
Ah, okay. Oh, so it's going here, it means it's low tide. Okay. Going there, it means high tide. I understand now. many fish now. Yeah. So, manonood tayo na namingwit si Kuya. Daming isda. So, I got one.
Yeah.
I forgot to video.
Oh, okay.
I miss it. Oh my god, that is big fish. Okay. There you go. You got it?
Yeah, more.
Oh.
Trying.
It's so nice. What do you call that fish? There's so many. I'm so excited. Where are they? There you go, so many. So many now. Yay! Perfect. Nice.
Quick. Yeah. That was quick. I saw him go for it too. Oh, yeah.
So nice. It's so nice to see.
Stay alive for a while. They'll die right away.
Okay. There are so many.
Oh, yeah, good.
Yeah. Oh, you got two now. Yay. yan yung bahog niya. Kaya nakadalawa na siya. Yan o, sa dalawa na.
There's more fish. Some of them. Then the other fish will eat a little bit.
Yan, they will eat it.
Oh!
There you go!
Jeez. Oh,
She
hey,
ate it?
look.
See it?
Guys, the fishes.
Okay, she ate it
Is that
already.
mackerel that you get? Yeah, it's mackerel.
A mackerel.
Of course we're gonna go fishing one day.
That's my wish also. To do like that just for fun. Look. He got 2 pieces.
That's good eating, Zach.
Yay!
That is definitely good eating.
Oh, he has
See, it's from the same tuna family. You see how it's got those register? Tuna have the same thing.
Oh.
When these get big,
what's
they
that?
go fast.
Then what's this? Oh, is this still tuna?
Yeah, no, it's not tuna. No, it's called mackerel.
Mackerel.
Mackerel. Yeah. The rest is called fry. We fry about a whole lot of fish. Baby fish.
Baby fish. Oh no.
Let's do it. Pack. Look at that. Look how easy that was. What is that? Oh, another one. Nice.
Oh, perfect.
I'm enjoying this. This is nice.
You are so lucky. Okay, so you got 3 now. Okay, you got 3 now. Okay, can I touch? Oh, wow.
Shallow it out there. Look.
Don't go back on the sea, okay? Oh, so
I'm in
many.
a frenzy right now.
Yeah, I think so.
So
I think
many.
you're gonna catch quite a few more, to be honest.
Perfect meat when I go offshore.
Wow.
All over the place. All over. Anywhere. Go deeper in the water. Go deeper out. Catch bigger fish. Way bigger fish.
Ang dami na. Nakatulog siya. Swerte naman to si Kuya. There you go. There you go again. There you go again. You have so many now.
Yeah, man. Good luck. All the best, man. We get much more.
Appreciate you. Have a good one.
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, they're in a frenzy right now. Look at them.
Cheese and fries. Thanks, bro.
Oh, they ate it. Oh, there you go. There is so many. Oh, they ate it. Oh, there you go. There is so many. You get it? Ah! Perfect. What do you call that one? Okay. Eee. Nice. Purple. 4 pieces now.
Eli!
4 pieces now. Okay, so many fish now. You do always fishing?
You off today or is it-
Okay. Oh, there. Yay! Perfect. Got again. Got one. Ah. It's bleeding.
Yeah.
Eee, it's bigger. It's bigger than the other one. Yeah, it is.
You want that one? You want this one?
Yes. Or I wanna buy.
No, it's okay. You can have it.
Thank you so much. Guys, nabigyan ako. Laki ng isda niya. Ah, nabigyan ako, nanonood lang. So yan, sinuswerte ako ngayon kasi nanonood lang ako. Tapos ang dami na niyang kuha. Dami talagang isda dito. So ayun, nanonood lang ako, bibigyan niya ako ng fish. So naswerte ako ngayon. So ayan yung kuha niya, marami na. Bait naman ni kuya. Many fish. So ito ay low tide. So galing yung water doon. And then going here. So meron din doon namimingwit kaibigan niya. Wala, nilinis pa talaga niya. Nilinis niya. Bait ni kuya. Nakakaiyak. Ang bait. Bait pa siya. No. Bait pa. Nabawasan na ng isa. Bigay sa akin. Thank you so much. Oh, with ice and you clean it, I see. Thank you. I'm just leaving there, the pink one house. Yeah, my name is Chelsea. What's your name? Huh? Scott. So I'm working in the Isocrol.
Where's that?
Isocrol Hill.
Oh, Coral here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I work there. And then I see you there like, oh, what's he doing?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know, like feeding the fish.
That'd be nice if you eat it tonight, like that. Be nice and fresh.
Yeah. Thank you.
You've had that before?
No. It's my first time.
Marinated wood.
Yeah? Okay. Thank you so much. I didn't expect I ate fish today.
Oh, yeah?
That's from there. He got also there, no? For sure.
There's somewhere we have to go there.
Ah, oh no. He has to transfer here. So, uuwi na ako kasi nakadala na ako ng isang mackerel na malaki. So, nilinis pa talaga niya. Swerte ako ngayon. So, uuwi akong masaya kasi meron na akong isda. So, ang tawag na dito sa isda is mackerel. So, lulutuin ko siya. Ah, swerte ako ngayon. Iisip ko paano ko lutuin to. Inihaw ba or preto? So guys, nandito na yung fish na binigay sa akin ni Kuya. Ay, kaswerte ba? So ito ay hugasan ko kasi lulutuin ko na siya. Ang laki ng fish. Laki oh. Tapos, nilinis na niya. Ayan oh, ang linis. Malinis na siya. Diba? Ay, nako yung aking pusa. Go down. Get down. Daddy is there. Come on. Get down, baby boy. So, nandito na yung mister ko. Baby! Look! Yay!
Oh, I don't want that.
Will I eat?
Oh, you can eat.
You will not ask who will give this to me?
I have no idea. Probably Dario.
No?
I don't know.
I went to the aquarium and then I'm watching there's a guy like he's feeding the fish. You know the fries? What do you call that fish? The small fish fries?
Yeah.
And then baby boy. And then watching him and then I'm videoing like fishing and then I said to myself, I asked him like, you will eat that one? She said, no, I'm just using this for bait for the big fish. And then he said, and then he asking me like, you want one? I said, yeah, I wanna buy. She said, no, I will give you one. That's so nice. And then guess what? He cleaned and then put in the ice plastic and with the ice. His name is Scott. So see, it's in the plastic bag. So malinis na talaga siya. Yan. Ayan. Slice na natin siya dito ng konti. Okay. There you go. So, titimplahan ko lang siya.
Come on, out. Out. Out.
Thank you. Do I need to put garlic inside?
Whatever you want to.
Babe, can you, babe?
I don't
Can
think.
you get the garlic, babe?
I don't
Put
know.
inside.
I don't think we got any more garlic.
Oh no.
I don't. What happened? What's your problem?
Hey, no. What's it?
Wow, this is so delicious. Ang sarap-sarap. Okay.
Put something inside.
Nice.
You put black pepper?
Naiyat. Ah, yeah. Black pepper. So, wisik-wisik lang to ng mga spices. And then, black pepper. Inside. And then, wait, I will put in the oven. So, lagyan natin siya ng palaman. So, ito yung dahon ng onion. So, ilagay lang natin sa loob. Tapos, itong lemongrass. Lagyan ko siya ng lemongrass. Para mabango. So, lagay lang dito sa loob. Tapos, babalutin. Irarap ng foil. Lagay na natin dito. Rarap lang siya. Yes. Lagyan ko siya ng parsley. Lagyan lang natin siya ng dahon sibuyas ulit sa labas. Yan. Tapos, yun, irarap lang natin siya. Ready! Ayan na siya, luto na siya, pero gusto ko siyang ipapa-brown pa. Bango-bango.